Alright, today you get to hear me rant. As you know, we've been doing this robot battle thing, well, we started it last year, 2016. We're going to use drill motors for the most part, and that's pretty common. And I've taken apart quite a few drills. Now, the older drills that I've taken apart, the motor was separate from the gearbox. It didn't have this planetary system in it. You would have a motor and then you have a series of gears molded into the plastic. Well, the more common modern system is this planetary system here. And I'm going to go through, I want you to see a few drills I've taken apart. This is out of a Black & Decker, and the DeWalt's are similar, being that they're the same company. Black & Decker, DeWalt's great, but Black & Decker's homeowner, and it's not known for the superior quality. But notice, this is your gearbox, ready to go. This is out of a very cheap Kawasaki, and you notice it's not a Johnson motor, it's a Jinding something, but see the similarities? This is out of a Handyworks, which used to be the cheapest drill we could find. They don't make them anymore, I don't think. You got these at Walmart for like 10 bucks. But notice it's a Johnson motor, albeit very tiny. Very similar to the others. This is out of the cheapest drill on the market now, and we did a video on this. Go back and look at it. These are available at Walmart. I forget the name of these. I think they're Hyper Tough or something. An $18 drill. But once again, notice the construction. Very similar. So I didn't think about it. Driveway Primitive came in the other day, and he had one of these DeWalt's. And he was going to take this apart to use on his robot. And this is what we use here in the lab. So, of course, I was, whoa. Let me trade you. I had a bunch of these SKIL brand drills. So I made the deal with him. We traded, he took 2 of these in exchange for one of these DeWalt's. We wanted to pop them open here in the lab, make sure the motors work so he wasn't getting a bum deal on this. Well, we popped these open, and at first glance, hey, normal, what we're used to. Then we pop it out, and oh, what is this? What is this? Apparently the guys over at SKIL have their head up their ass and thought it was cheaper to exclude 2 screws. Now I don't know what they're saving on excluding 2 screws. The motors have the provisions. The gearbox has the provisions. As you see, it fits just like normal. It's the same standard kind of gearbox you have here. But apparently they've saved money by not putting in 2 screws. And at first I thought, well, what keeps this from spinning? Surely they're not relying on these contact points here to keep this from spinning, because it's a lot of pressure. No, they've saved money on 2 screws, but they've engineered into the housing 2 tabs. This had to be engineered. And these catch in these little indentions here in the motor. So albeit they have saved money, they have put more time into engineering this, which maybe they're saving time on production too, and someone or something not having to install this before they put this together. Now, at first, when we first took the first one apart, I thought somebody had been into it and maybe forgot to put it back, because that's common. We took 3 of these apart. They're all the same. So just be aware, if you get these old SKIL 12-volt drill, that you're going to have to take this apart and put 2 screws in it, because the guys over at SKIL couldn't do this for you. Just keep that in mind. And that is my rant for the day on how crappy, of course we all know that SKIL's not known for their quality, unless it's a worm drive circular saw. Just keep in mind that you're going to run into this crap when you take apart one of these SKIL screwdrivers.